Hi, I'm Frank Simoncioni, owner of Old Time New Orleans Products. Our products can be seen and purchased on our website at www.flavorsandsyrups.com. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Nectarcino. This is my version of a cappuccino, and it's actually cappuccino with a little bit of nectar syrup in it. It sounds like, why would you do that? Well, it acts as a sweetener, and the flavor of this coffee comes out really, really good. So first of all, what we're going to do is that I'm going to add a little bit of nectar syrup, Old Time New Orleans product, like that. That'll be the sweetness, so you're not going to have to add any sugar to it. Got some espresso. And it doesn't have to be espresso, it can be regular coffee, it doesn't make any difference. And then you're going to use some warm milk, just like you would with doing a cappuccino. So you're going to whip that milk. You don't need those fancy machines, you can use this. It works out really, really good. Okay, see how easy? Put this on top. Take this right here, like this. Move this cherry bottle so you can see it. And what I like to do is I like to add a little whipped cream on it and a cherry. Oh, there it goes. Goodbye, cherry. We'll add another one just for luck. There you go. And this is our Nectarcino.